Yeah, I can throw my voice, it's fine. But if you need me to use the microphone, then that's fine as well. Okay, para na ba record? I just want to say congratulations to each and everyone. Hi, my name is Jimmy Villa Cruz, independent. I don't know. I don't belong anywhere. But because I just want to commend everybody because I'm also like a performance teacher. So I know how hard everybody is. This is a very, very physical show. Congratulations, dudes. They're fantastic. I just want to ask, kasi natanong na din naman yung ibang question na gusto kong tanungin, no? Kasama yung Lego, natanong na ni Fee. I just want to ask, like, if there's maybe just one word, right, that you guys would use. Kasi parang, I'm sure with the weight of this text and the heavy physical movements, acting that you're doing here, how much has it changed your life?
Okay. Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's
Or
start.
perspective, baka naman pumasok kayo dito, iba yung perspective nyo, tapos because of this process, you know, you look at life differently.
Okay, let's start with... balik tayo. Start tayo with Krista. One word lang ba? One word? Perspective. I think, parang binalikan lang namin yung pagkabata namin. Kasi since yung age na is hindi na proper sa age namin right now, mas bata siya. So, reminiscing, something gano'n. Ano ba? Thinking below, yeah? Ano? Alam?
Ako, ano na lang. Wala akong one word kasi sobrang, ang dami kong nararamdaman for Bangaw. Ako yung type of actor talaga na nagkikling sa character. And ito yung character talaga na pinanghawakan ko ng malala. And Bangaw has changed me in a way na I'm very, parang, ano ba? It changed me politically kasi I'm very much more scared now for what will happen to my future, to everybody's future, than I did before I started Bangaw. Si Simone, she's a very introspective girl. And hindi ako super ganon, pero I had to learn to be in her shoes. So I think because I had to take her to be in her shoes, I also had to learn to be introspective in real life and to actually care more about other people, what's going on around me, in the world, to the people around me, my co-actors and everybody else. And ayun, I think, yun lang. Yeah.
Ako for me, feeling ulit ako sa ako refreshing for me kasi comeback ko to sa FTG after 2 years. Yeah. Refreshing siya in a way na nakakapanibago lang. Kasi first time kong mag-musical as in, and first time ko rin maging actor. Sorry, hindi naman. Pero naming first times dito sa sa Dulang to para sa akin, and I'm very grateful. Actually, yun word, grateful. So thank you po sa lahat na bumubuo ng Bangaw. At sa alternative si Steve, nasa man siya.
Ayun, at this point po, mag-entertain pa po kami ng two more questions.